It's probably drizzling for some this morning. That trend will continue. Occasional drizzle and showers, not so sunny, but it's not going to be a washout. And if you were tired of the heat, it's gone. We'll be in the low 80s today, but we have yet to get rid of the humidity. Live outside right now, you can see toward the center there of your screen, the clouds look especially low, likely a little bit of drizzle landing on the ground there. As we roll through the day, expected to brighten up a little. It will never be sunny completely, but alas, should see some breaks later on today. As we take a look at what you can expect from the forecast, it's a high of 82 this afternoon, just 2 degrees below where we should be and well below the record of 100 set back in 2011. Sunset is tonight at 8:20. On the Vortex satellite and radar picture, we see some spotty activity, nothing major. Overnight into tomorrow morning is when we see the next significant round of wet weather and storms moving on through, and it could have an impact on your morning commute. The gray conditions are just courtesy of the stationary boundary. We have unsettled air overhead, and then what's going to happen later on is even more instability rides along the front, triggers that more potent weather overnight into tomorrow morning. Hour by hour, let's show you what it looks like here. Ample cloud cover for most of us for much of the day. As we get into the afternoon, we see some breaks of sun, some spotty rain showers, nothing major. Overnight, that story does change. Take a look. Here we are at 2 a.m. We see rounds of heavier rain moving on in, some really heavy stuff down toward Atlantic City. We could get severe thunderstorms mixed in with this. That would be damaging wind, maybe some hail. But the timing is what is most important here because it arrives during that morning commute. 5 a.m., the heaviest stuff looks to be moving through the city, causing some flooding on those roadways, which may take a while to clear. And then as we get closer to the 9 and 10 a.m. hour, another round of strong activity pushes on through again, could end up with some more flooded roadways out there. So the expectation is tomorrow morning, some problems on the roads courtesy of old Mother Nature, but hopefully you can get in without a hitch. The risk for severe weather later today into tomorrow morning is marginal. Most likely scenario is that we'd run into some very swift winds or some small hail. We'll be looking out for that for you. If you're heading to the beach today, note it will be gray for the most part with some breaks of sun, maybe a stray shower or storm. 78 to 82 degrees. The ocean temperature is 74 to 78, feeling real good. Lightning risk just slight for today. Your rip current risk is moderate. Your UV index is 8. That's a burn time of 20 minutes. Your mountain forecast, mostly cloudy skies with a chance for showers and storms as we get into the afternoon, especially mid to upper 70s. Mid to upper 70s is where we're all heading midweek. High for today in the city, 82 degrees. Again, clouds rule today. Hopefully we'll see some breaks of sun with a passing shower. Winds out of the east of 5 to 10. And then overnight, there's actually a coastal flood advisory in effect. Some minor coastal flooding is possible during high tide. So this would be in those repeat offender locations where whenever we talk about the potential for coastal flooding, it happens. That's another thing that could cause some problems on the roadways overnight. Tomorrow, after what we expect to be a very busy morning weather-wise, we'll warm to 77 in the afternoon, and we could still deal with some more isolated showers and storms. Tuesday, we finally settle down, and the humidity drops. It's 79 and mostly sunny by afternoon. Wednesday, looking amazing, 80, mostly sunny with low humidity. Thursday, Friday, humidity ramps back up. We bring back a chance for storms. Next weekend, looking pretty good so far.